Mike from NGP Caliper Covers. Today we're going to do a quick install, caliper cover install on a 2018 Ford F150. We'll do the front first, just show our new snap clip design, and then we'll go to the rear. The special thing about this truck is that it has the electric parking brake. I'll show you the difference on that when we get to the rear. Do the front. We have the snap clip, which is going to just snap right into place here. So just place it right above the rotor, and then pull this down and it'll snap into place. And you'll see that it's snapped in on this side, and then pull the clip all the way towards the front. Same technique on the bottom. The longer leg will be the one that goes underneath the caliper and right over the rotor. And once I get it in place, just snap it down, and it's in place. Now we can install the caliper cover. That's it. Nice and tight. Reinstall the wheel, and you have a good looking caliper behind the wheel.